Yo, 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 what's going on, my babies? We out here in nature, getting that good naturing. The fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Who does that? No, I just ain't fucking with it for real. Like, why do people do that? No. On a tree, though, you couldn't have put it up on the side of the building. So today, oh wait, hold up. I'm nurturing Nebula. For anybody who does not know or is new to the channel, I help people raise their consciousness, love their self, become their truest version. I'm a healer, a lot of different things. Tap into these videos more and you'll figure me out some more. But today I just wanted to give everybody a quick little beautiful reminder to stay in nature. Go vegan, okay? Eat some real raw food. Make sure you're getting in your berries, antioxidants, all that beautiful soul-filling love in your life. Bring it on, nature. I love nature, guys. This is where all my psychic abilities come from, to be honest. The more I'm in nature, the better I am with my psychic abilities. Just keep that in mind for real. I'm probably finna head to the store now, but I just wanted to give everybody all my love. I didn't even see that. Everybody, stay in nature, guys. Love yourselves, be yourselves, never stop becoming your truest version. Love you all, and peace.